Meaning of gasometer.
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 Gasometer. A gasometer is a large, airtight container used for storing and regulating gases. It typically consists of a cylindrical tank, a dome-shaped top, and a moving piston that adjusts the volume of gas held inside. The word gasometer comes from the Greek words gaso meaning gas and metron meaning measure, reflecting its function as a tool for measuring gas levels. Gasometers were commonly used in the past for storing and distributing coal gas, which was used for lighting and heating, but have largely been replaced today by modern gas pipelines and storage facilities.